So today we're going to do a two-sum algorithm. We're going to convert it from Java into Swift. And here's the problem of this two-sum algorithm. And here's the solution. I'll definitely link this down below so you guys can go check them out. And also I'll link a Swift version of this two-sum algorithm as well. So feel free to check them out after the video. So let's start with opening up the Xcode. Then get target. We can create a playground. Then hit next. For this practice, I'm just gonna call two-sum practice. And save to the desktop. So you can pretty much remove the top three things. We don't need them. We can start by copying over the problem. Since I already have this problem open up in another window, so that I don't need to continuously move back and forth. So you guys, it's gonna be hard for you guys to follow. So this problem's logic is actually pretty simple. You can already see from the instruction of the problem. And here's the example. So we are going to use this to test after we done the algorithm in Swift. The 0, 1 here is actually just the index number of the array, the nums array. So let's start with creating this algorithm in Swift. Let's create a function first. Let's call it two-sum, then nums. Then the two parameters are going to be nums, integer array, and also a target as a single integer. And we can return anything, but here for the practice purpose, I'm just going to return a pair of index. And it could be optional. If we run through the whole array, we don't find anything. So let's start with a variable. Let's call it difference dictionary. Then we can start with loop through the array. In 0, yeah, sorry about it if you hear me mumbling around. That's kind of like my habits. Whenever I start to code, and that I start to mumbling things. But I'm pretty sure you guys have different kind of weird kind of habit as well. So don't judge me. So we probably can see that difference is actually we're trying to find the difference between the target value and the current value in the array. So whenever we find there's a difference, we want to check if this first thing here, we just kind of like put there first. We're gonna use that later on, in kind of like down below. So currently we are trying to grab the different difference value. I would probably say different index that equal to a difference dictionary. We're gonna check, see if the current value from the array is actually exists as the key of the dictionary. We're actually grabbing the value of this dictionary according by this current array integer. Like for example, if this is 7 or something, if we're calling this is 7. But just for the practice purpose, we're just gonna use that. But I'm pretty sure there's a better solution or something, or someone have a better way to do it. You can feel free to comment down below and let me know. We can. I'm happy to share knowledge with people. So here we can just call in the different index, and we'll pass this back. Then if we don't find anything in the dictionary, we just call in the difference dictionary, and also we set the key as the difference. Then we set the value as the current index. So after we run through all the array, we don't find anything, we just return now. Then in that case, we can start to testing this algorithm right here. So let's call it let nums equal to 2, 7, 11, 15. Then let the target equal to 9. Target sounds like a store target. Let's call this to some nums. Nums, or you can name something different. But for the practice, I'm just gonna only use that. But make sure you don't confusing between nums and nums, and also targets. So not fun. So here you can see the compiler successfully compiled this algorithm, this piece of code right here. It outputs out this is 0 and 1 as the position inside the array, which when 2 plus 7 equal to 9. So according to this array, we only run it 2 times to find the exactly solutions. Yeah, so if we change this to 9, for example, it's gonna give us not fun because it cannot find anything that sum up equal to a 9. So here we go. This guy. Here we go, guys. What's going on there? Okay. So here you go, guys. Here's the Swift version of this two-sum algorithm. So please like and subscribe to my page and to my channel, actually. And also, you're welcome to check out the Java version of the algorithm and the Swift algorithm in the link down below. And also, feel free to check out my another YouTube channel. And I will see you guys next time in the next Swift algorithm.